How to show FPS in your Fortnite. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can enable the display of FPS in your Fortnite gameplay. So in order to do this, all you will need to do is simply follow these easy steps. So the first thing that we're going to do is simply click onto your profile picture at the top right corner. And once you'll do this, you can see this particular menu bar appearing right here. So from here, simply click onto the settings gear icon, and now you can see the following settings. Now from here, you can simply scroll down, and upon doing so, you will notice this particular setting within the advanced graphics that says show FPS. So you can enable this to show the frames per second. Use this to help gauge the effect of adjusting different video settings as well. So to enable this, simply right click onto this arrow, and now you can see that this setting has been turned on. And now in order to apply this setting, you can either click onto this button or simply press the A button as well. Now once doing this, you can simply go back, and now you can also notice the FPS are visible right here at the bottom left corner of the screen. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.